Ever wondered why people say bless you when you sneeze? A sneeze can travel at a whopping 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway. Imagine trying to outrun that. When someone says bless you, they might just be protecting themselves from that high-speed spray. Think about it. It's like dodging a mini hurricane of germs. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember it's not just a polite gesture, it's a quick reflex for self-defense. And if you're the one blessing, congrats, you're officially a sneeze superhero. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun facts.